Explain in a few sentences the purpose and impact of Way to Grow on the community.
Way to Grow strives to ensure every child has an equal opportunity to succeed in school and life. Studies show a strong correlation between a child's third grade literacy scores and the chances that he or she will succeed in graduating from high school and going on to college. Our Grade by 8 program begins by focusing on getting children ready for school so they enter kindergarten with the school readiness skills they need to enter school ready to learn. It also allows us to stay with the children we serve through this important third grade milestone. Our unique and proven home visiting model lets us directly address the needs of families so they can overcome obstacles and create an atmosphere of learning for their children. Way to Grow not only benefits the children we serve, but also empowers their families, strengthens our school systems, and provides the future vitality of our community and future workforce. Last year, 92% of children we served were deemed ready for kindergarten, compared to just over 72% in Minnesota overall. We also had 68% of K through 3 students reading at or above grade level, compared to 59% of all Minnesota students achieving reading proficiency.
Working in Way to Grow, have you been able to see an impact on children who have gone through preschool as they grow up?
Yes, we have. A couple years ago, we received a phone call from a former Way to Grow mom, Jacqueline. She was calling to tell us that her daughter had just received a full scholarship to University of Northwestern.
How does Way to Grow help prevent the disadvantages of growing up as a low income or minority student?
I don't know that one organization can fully prevent the disadvantages and inequities low income and or minority students face every day. We are just working to level the playing field. We use a data and research-based approach to serving our families. For instance, we know babies need to be born healthy and stay healthy to better be able to learn. It's hard to focus on school if you're going to school hungry, etc., so we connect families to resources to meet their basic needs. We also offer health and nutrition classes for families. We know that by the time children enter first grade, low-income students have heard as many as 30 million fewer words than their more affluent peers. One of the greatest indicators of this word gap is the number of books in the home. We work to ensure that every child has books at home, and we encourage our parents to read daily with their children to help build vocabulary skills.
How does Way to Grow get parents involved in their children's education?
Parent involvement is a huge part of what we do here at Way to Grow. We are actively involved in the schools here in Minneapolis through partnerships with the Minneapolis Public School District and local charter schools. We work with parents to show them how they can best advocate for their children in the schools. We also work with them on not only attending parent-teacher conferences, but help them to feel comfortable and confident attending those conferences when they themselves may not have even finished school. Many of our parents also volunteer with their children's school. Lastly, our preschools really drive home parent engagement through parent-child classes, requiring parents to attend field trips and conferences and other practices.
What has working here taught you?
I've learned so much during my time with Way to Grow in regards to not only my role here, but also regarding education disparities prevalent in much of our state and across the country. I've also seen our families combating stereotypes every single day and showing the world that poverty can be overcome. It can be done.